everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are fine and safe. So in this video we are going to see the solution of chapter number 2, a snake and snake charmer. It is a very small chapter, so we will finish this chapter in one shot. So let's begin. Question number 1. Choose the correct alternative from those given below each question and write its index letter or alphabet in the box provided against each question. So question number 1 is, which instrument do snake charmers play to make the snake dance? Answer is C, a bean. Number 2, in what do snake charmers keep the snakes? Answer is B, in a bamboo basket. Number 3, which of the following animals is kept in a cage in circuses? Answer is D, a tiger. Number 4, which is the favorite food of snakes? Answer is A, rats. Now let's see, fill in the blanks. Question number 2, fill in the blanks in each sentences with an appropriate word. Question number 1, a dash plays the bean to make the snake dance. Answer is snake charmer. Number 2, snake charmer make dash from the herbs they collected from forest. Answer is medicines. Number 3, the snake charmer's bean is made from dry dash. Answer is bottle gourd. Number 4, people of Aryanath's family were known as dash. Answer is Kalbelias. Now let's see question number 3. Put a tick mark in front of the statements that are true and a cross in front of statements that are false. So number 1, snake charmers keep snakes in strong tin trunks. Answer is false. Number 2, snake charmers can recognize poisonous snakes. Answer is true. Number 3, all snakes are poisonous. Answer is false. Number 4, when a snake bites, its poison enters the body through its fangs. Answer is true. Now let's see question number 4. Match the columns appropriately. Write the correct index letter or alphabet from column B in the answer column. So we have column A and column B and we have to match the answers. So number 1, snake. Answer is 3, snake charmer. Number 2, ox. Answer is 5, farmer. Number 3, donkey. Answer is 1, potter. Number 4, goat. Answer is 2, shepherd. Now question number 5. Answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. Number 1, from whom did Aryanath learn to play the bean? Answer, Aryanath learned to play the bean from his family members. Now question number 2, what was snake charmer Aryanath's grandfather Roshannath an expert in? Answer, snake charmer Aryanath's grandfather Roshannath was an expert in catching poisonous snakes very easily and quickly. Number 3, from what do snake charmers make medicines? Answer, snake charmers make medicines from the herbs they collect from forest. Now question number 4, what had Aryanath's father taught Aryanath about snakes? Answer, Aryanath's father had taught him how to remove a snake's poison, fangs, and also the method of closing the tube of poison in the snake's mouth. Now number 5, why are snakes considered as friends of farmers? Answer, snakes are considered as friends of farmers because they eat the rats that eat the crops. Now question number 6, which of the snakes found in India are poisonous? Answer, the cobra, the common krait, Rachel's viper and saw-scaled Rachel's viper are types of poisonous snakes found in India. Question number 7, have you ever seen animals being used for entertainment? Answer, yes, I went to see the circus with my parents last month. There I saw animals like elephants, horses, tigers, and bears being used for entertainment. Now, let's see question number 6. Answer the following questions. Number 1. It has become difficult for snake charmers to earn their livelihood. Explain. Answer. In olden days, snake charmers would keep snakes, perform snake shows to entertain people, and earn money and get food grains from people for their livelihood. But now, due to the government law that says no one can catch and keep wild animals, snake charmers cannot keep snakes with them. Thus, it has become difficult for them to earn money to manage their lives. Now, number 2. Like snake charmers, which other people depend on animals for their livelihood? Answer. Like snake charmers, people who do monkey shows, bear shows, milkmen, horse cart owners, camel cart owners, people who domesticate donkeys, etc., are those who depend on animals for their livelihood. Now, number 3. Which law has the government passed regarding wild animals? Why? Answer. The government has passed the law that says that no one can catch and keep wild animals. This law has been passed because some people kill wild animals and sell their body parts such as claws, teeth, and skins at high prices. In order to protect wild animals, the government has passed such laws. Now let's see question number 4. What kind of questions came to your mind after seeing the animal show at the circus? Write 4 points. So point number 1. Is it a good thing to make animals work against their will just for our entertainment? Number 2. Is it right to take animals away from their families? Number 3. Is it right to keep animals in captivity or caged for always? Number 4. Are these animals given enough food? These were some questions came to my mind after seeing the animal show at the circus. Now let's see number 5. What care should be taken of domestic animals? Write 4 points. Number 1. They should be kept under a roof during winter and the rainy season, and in the shade of a tree during summer. Number 2. They should be bathed every day. Number 3. Their excreta should be picked up from their shed twice every day. Number 4. They should be given enough food and water as and when they need or want it. Now let's see question number 7. Answer as asked. Number 1. Say in which task the following animals are useful to men. Number 1. Cows, buffaloes. They are used for milk and fertilizers. Number 2. Oxen. Oxen are used for farming. Number 3. Horses. Horses are used for riding and attaching a cart. Number 4. Sheep. Sheep are used for wool. Number 5. Donkeys. Donkeys are used for carrying loads. Now, number 2. Hidden in the grid given below are 9 names of animals that are useful to us. Find their names and make a list. So, I have found 9 names of the animals in the grid given, and they are number 1. Donkey, it was already given. Number 2. Cow. Number 3. Buffalo. Number 4. Ox. Number 5. Horse. Number 6. Elephant. Number 7. Camel. Number 8. Goat. Number 9. Sheep. On the next page we have activity Nag Gumphan, a type of design. Note: draw the Nag Gumphan design given on page number 15 of the textbook in the space given below. Now there is a Nag Gumphan design in your textbook on the page number 15, and I have attached that Nag Gumphan design over here. So you have to draw this picture. Okay, then other activity, Many people use animals to earn their livelihood. Collect pictures of such useful animals and stick them in the space given below. So I have attached 9 pictures of such animals. Number 1 is cow, then buffalo, goat, sheep, horse, donkey, pig, camel and hen. You can collect such pictures and stick in your workbook. Then we have HOTS questions. Choose the correct alternative from those given below each question and write its index letter or alphabet in the box provided against each question. So number 1, which of the following snake is not poisonous? Answer B, Indian rat snake. Number 2, where is the Nag Gumphan design used? Answer C, in embroidery. Number 3, which animals is reared for wool? Answer D, sheep. Number 4, which of the following animals is not used in the animal shows given on road? Answer is C, bears. Bears are used in circus but not on the roads. So this was the solution of chapter number 2, a snake and snake charmer. If you have any doubt, query or suggestion, let me know in the comment section. I will see you in the next video with a new chapter. Till then, bye bye, take care.